Hello everybody to a rainy day in Texas. Look at Melinda's little roof she's got going on her head here. Yeah, well, we're down here where we removed the mobile home and took to the farm, the property I have down here, and we're getting my propane tank. Man, I can't believe how the tree sap just made this thing so nasty. Look how the tree sap made that so nasty. We had a tire go bad on us on the way. Isn't that just some good luck? But we got it slid. We got it turned sideways right here with the trailer. I'm gonna take my winch and a battery, hook onto these little eyelets, and just try to pull it and slide it up metal on this trailer up to the front and tire down. Don't you slip on that wet metal. Be careful. All right, let me see if it'll freewheel now. All right, now try to pull it. There you go. That's good, right about there. That'd be good. We'll see if this thing will roll up on there. There it goes. It's probably gonna make a little slip. There it goes. So I'll have to roll on around. Hoping it'll stop right there. Well, I made it here with the propane tank. That's a good thing. But I'm glad to get that here. I'll take the power washer, give it a really good bath, clean it up good before I take the front end loader and set it in its place. Out here in the country, if you get a good long-term renter, they don't mind dealing with propane. But a short-termer, they don't want to. You can tell instantly if you're going to have a short-term renter, because when they have to think about buying propane and ordering, you know, you're not getting 25 gallons, you're getting 100 gallons minimum, and it's usually like 300-gallon tank, 250, 300, and means they got to make a little investment. You can usually tell if they're not planning on being around for a while, that's going to be a deal breaker right there for them. But a renter that don't mind, they will spend the money and get the gas. For instance, over at Brick House I have over here on the highway, renters Bob and Carol there, no problem. They buy gas, they got it scheduled, gas company comes by, very responsible, really great. Same the house right next door right here, that mobile home there is also propane gas. And you're out here in the country, and let's take like this past winter with what happened here in Texas, all over the country, but Texas got it really hard. It was well known in the news because of a huge mass power outage. Well, your central heat's not going to run because it still requires electricity to run the blower, the thermostat, all those things to make it work. But if you've got a gas hot water heater, like over in the brick house that Bob and Carol rent, you still got hot water. And if you've got gas stove, you still have a source to heat and cook. And that is pretty important when you're out here in the country. I can't tell you how many times that Gas saved my ass. Wood heat, of course, it's great to have. There's all kinds of alternatives. I know y'all gonna say this, but I'm talking about for the safety of a renter. Yeah, for the safety of a renter. Well, just thought I'd share that little tidbit of information. Well, good morning, everybody. It is maybe about 5 a.m. right now. Yeah, about 5. You see, it's still dark outside. Bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, as they say. And I thought, well, I'm gonna come back here in this back room and kind of hang out and look and think and get ready to proceed on with the next step. So, meanwhile, I want to show you something here. Melinda and I both, we decided to set eggs back a few weeks ago. I know y'all are like, man, y'all about to go back to the Philippines and you're setting eggs, but we still got a little time before we go back to the Philippines. And of course, we like to keep, our chickens going here. We enjoy them. We get benefits from them. And, your chickens will age out. So you need to constantly replenish them with younger chickens again. So we incubated a batch of eggs here. And today is birthday. When I got up at 4, there was none in here, but I saw some where they were starting to peck them there. And I could hear a little cheeping. I seen a couple eggs moving. And just now walked back here. And happy birthday, baby chick. Hello to the world. Melinda's asleep. And she's missing this, but I ain't going to bother her. But at least she'll get to see it on video like you guys. But look at that. So there's the first one, the winner to the race, right there. Yep, this little Nurture Right 360, it just did a great job. A great job. It says day 1, that's how many days is left, but today is the birthday. They're all popping up and pecking through. You see that one there? And you see up here on the side of that one right there. Right there, it's coming through. And I could go on around in here with some others as well, but they're harder to see. Yep, today is birthday for the baby chicks. Some of you hadn't seen past videos on this Nurture Right 360. Well, go into my playlist. I do have playlist, and you'll see on these. Also have a Amazon affiliate link on these as well. And if you want to buy one through Amazon, if you're interested in one, we get just a little bit of funds off of that. It don't raise the price none for you none. It's just like a little commission that Amazon pays us. But that's not why I'm showing you chicks this morning, but I will share that. So it has a turner in it. This automatic turner works great, but in the last few days before they hatch, you remove the turner, unplug the power cord from the turner, and let the eggs get in a set position so the chicks get oriented and bring themselves out of there like the little newborn right here. Brand new to the world. Welcome to the world, my little friend. Well, it's about 7 o'clock in the morning now, and there is a second little baby come to life here. Join the world anyway. I already lied, but join the world. Yep, the second one just hatched out. Well, it's later in the day now. I want to show you all the baby chicks in here. Look at that. Got a couple that just came out right there. They're curled up side by side. Yeah, they're still alive, anybody wonders. They're just fresh out of the shell and resting. Oh, there's another one coming out right now. Look here. Look there, another one coming out right this minute. Working on pushing its way out. And there's one more still pipping through. Oh, I see it's the other side of it's there broke. I can't really get the camera around to it. We got photo bombers here. Little chick photo bombers. But yeah, see that one right in the middle there in front of that black chick's head. It's pipping through also. Now, none of you've asked, but maybe y'all forgot, there was a python, you know, that was over there, showed up in our neighborhood and bit a guy. They seen it right there at our fence and all that. Well, that thing ended up getting caught, if it's the same one, they think it is, in a little tilapia pond there at somebody's place, and they actually caught it in the tilapia pond. Now, I didn't know pythons would go down in the water like that, but I've got some pictures here of it, and check this out. Yeah, check this out. So this is from a guy that we know. It's one of Melinda's dear friends. Her uncle works over the local government, and he comes anything like that with animals, fish, and all, and helps recover these things. But check out that python right there. Isn't that something? So yeah, you know, you do got to watch out about those things. You do. But you know, out of all my years over there, that's the first time that I have dealt with a python anywhere around us there. Get Miss Melinda here cooking me some escaldo, right?
Yes, because you said you're looking for soup.
Yeah. I told her, I said, you know, I want something like a soup, something with a lot of broth and all, something like we make in the Philippines. And she said, how about escaldo? And I said, oh, heck yeah, and put some chicken in it. And she's got some lemongrass in it right there that grown here at the farm. Some lemongrass right there. And well, you got boiled egg in there?
Yes.
Now, is that peeled, or are you just cooking it right there in it?
Cook it there.
That right there in it, huh?
Yeah.
All right, make sure it ain't one of those salted eggs. Please don't put no salted egg in there. I don't know with you Filipinos and y'all's aged eggs and salted eggs and salted fish. I never know what the surprise may be. Would that drip all over your stove over there?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah.
That's all right.
Let me set that lid on it or something. So, yeah, man, my allergies have been tearing me up with that mountain cedar, and there's a bunch of ragweed and different ones. They've been telling it on the TV too, and it's like super high ever since a couple of northerns blew in. And that wind's blowing today out there. I mean, and yesterday too, it's just blowing 90 to nothing, isn't it?
It's very strong wind.
Very strong. So she just says it plain. It's very strong wind. But me, I have to say it, you know, in our Texas country boy sayings. That wind's blowing 90 to nothing. That's how we express things. So if any of you don't know what 90 to nothing means, it just means it's blowing pretty dang fast.